Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Creators. Today I'm going to show you how you can create looking to bring your ideas to life quickly. I'm Quratul Ain Shabir from Web Creators. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Basically, what you're going to do is that you're going to go in this section and you're going to search for fail.app. I'm going to next telling you that you have to search in this section. It's really, really, really important because if you search over here, fail, then you will not get the desired results unless you put app after it. Anyways, here we get unlimited generations, no login is required. It's powered by Flux1.dev and it is 100% free. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that I'm going to give it a prompt, create a cute furry image of um sorry, a cute furry animal walking happily in the snow in Disney Pixar style. Okay, so this is done. You can add media from here, but I don't want to. Then you're going to click on generate. Okay, then it will do a simple verification. It's just going to take a matter of seconds, so don't worry. This is done. Now it is saying the estimated time is going to be 20 seconds, and if you get through, it will be 5x faster. Now till that time, let's go down and see what others have created with this. And there we go about the about section and whatsoever. We don't want to get into that, we just want to stick with ours. So as you can see, it's already created 2 of them and they all look very nice. Let me make you see clearly here. You can download it from here, but let's first see all of them. Wow, that's so cute. And it has created all of them in just a matter of seconds. Not even a whole minute was taken. So yeah, here you can just simply randomly click and then I'm going to click over this button and then it's going to get downloaded to my computer. Now you can even publish it on social media and whatsoever you want to. That's all for today guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye.